So, this is a video of the air conditioning systems that have been put into at my parents' house. This is one in the living room, and I have one in my bedroom. Let me turn on the light for better quality. There's the air conditioning unit in my bedroom, where I usually sleep if I have to be over. And here's Lincoln. Lincoln! Yeah, we're trying to get a new air conditioning system so we don't have to use the window air conditioners. I don't know if there's any air conditioners anywhere else, but oh yeah. Yep, in the master bedroom too. Just as I figured. I wonder if there's an air conditioner in the computer room where I used to do my bidding. Ouch! I nearly tripped over a fan. It's there, and there's an air conditioning in here. Oh, well, that's the attic we don't go up into except for when we had a little bee infestation of yellow jacket bees or yellow jacket wasps. We had to, of course, we had to get an exterminator to get rid of the bees, wasps, whatever. And of course, because he had to fumigate this room was off limits until a certain time. So I had to do something else rather than lounge around on my computer. So this is just about it for showing the air conditioners at my parents' house. Thanks for watching.